name is Dikshit Singh, and I'm going to do screencasting for a cloudformer. So, with the help of cloudformer tool, I will export my existing infrastructure to into a template. And to do that, first of all, I need to install a cloudformer. It is a very simple way to install a cloudformer. Just go to your cloudformer formation, click on create stack, select the template which is cloudformer, and go to next. Here just give a stack name so that you can identify. So I give CF. It can be anything, you can make it more meaningful, it's on you, but I recommend just don't do it because we need to remove it. We like in my case I'm just going to delete it, so it's on you. Like if you want to keep it, but it will cost you because it used EC2 instance. So here I give a credentials. These credentials you are going to use when you are logging into the instance which belongs to a cloudformer. Like you need to use an instance to export the infrastructure from your region. Right now my system, my whole infrastructure is in Oregon, and I want to move it to Sydney region. So it's here. When you click next, it will ask you for the key. Like if you want to if you want to give some more details, it's on you. It's not necessary, it is not mandatory. Now here you need to check this. It is a IAM rule, and you need to verify this software you want to install. I already have this cloudformer, so I don't need it. So the guys who don't have, you just go and click on a create button. It will create a cloudformer. It will take some time because it is also created with the help of a sample template which is provided by the AWS. So now once we install a cloudformer, you just go to output, and you will find a URL. You can click over here and it will take you to this panel. This panel is about AWS, and first of all I just want to say what is AWS CloudFormer 0.4.1. Actually the CloudFormer 0.4.1 beta tool is a template creation beta tool that create templates AWS templates from the existing resource in your account, or you can run cloudformer by launching the stack from your AWS, as I told you before. And I already mentioned like it use EC2 instance. So here you can see that it create a EC2 instance. It take instance type T2 small, it can be medium, it can be large, it's on you, but this will cost you. So now move to the create. When you click over here, it will analyze your all resources in AWS. It will take some time because it needs to recognize each and everything which is currently created in your AWS account for a particular region. It doesn't matter, I'm working on this. Give any description like VPC template, and click on continue. It's on you. You need to give an introduction. I don't have any DNS, skip this. The purpose of doing this, I want my infrastructure that I created by using AWS template, sample template. So that infrastructure use this VPC, which is virtual private cloud, and I just going to click, and here it will select all the subnets, internet gateways, and DHCP options for me. So I don't need to do anything. Just click next. Here the same thing, he will select all the ACL and routing table for me. Again, I don't need to do anything. Now here you just click on all EC2 elastic IPs. It's take time. Sorry for the slow internet. Okay, so it now I'm going to select my ADDS scenario. Now here you can see once I select over there, it is automatically gets selected. Just go. I don't have any computer instances, I think. Yeah, I don't have any computer instances, so I'm going to skip this thing. Same. The main purpose of doing cloudformer is just select the item you want in your new region, and even you want to configure, you can't upload this template as it as possible, like as it as in the another region. You need to change its AMI number, and you need to create a new key pair for that particular region, so that you need to specify in your template, so that you can that infrastructure can create on that region too. And I will show you in my after this. So here you can see the summary. Now you are going to see the summary, that what are the items we have selected from that VPC. So these are the items which I have selected. So once you select this, now the option is you can modify it here, or you can modify it in Notepad++. I recommend use Notepad++ because it's quite easy to find, and second thing, it's open source, free of cost. You don't need to buy anything. So here it gives you a script like this. You can copy it from here and save it into a text format. Or one more thing that he can do, like you can download this into your S3 bucket. Here it gives me a default bucket, but if I go to S3 bucket, or if I create a bucket over there, it will automatically save where I want to. So here I'm going to change this name because I already have this in my S3 bucket. So it's like new template source. Okay. So here's my template. Now I'm going to save it into my S3 bucket that I have created. That is, yeah, this one. So here you can see ADDPS, and I change this whole deployment with my name, which is ADDS deploy checkchain. So here you can see there is something ADDS scenario.c.vpc, and I change it with ADDS deployment with checkchain. And second, now I'm going to change the availability zone inside that. You can see that I changed the availability zone, both of my availability zone. The major difference that I want to show you guys that is that I was talking about, because in Sydney our like Microsoft Server 2012 AMI ID is this, which is different in Oregon region. So that is, I think, yeah, this is 3189 EC51. Here it is something different. So now even I create ADDS deploy origin. Here I have some different key. So now I'm going to execute this code into my Sydney region. To do that, I just need to switch to my Sydney region. For to that, I need to go to cloudformer, and here I'm going to click on my Sydney region. I just want to advise you guys, like just use design template to filter your cloud former template code, because it is a very nice way that you can filter, and if you are facing some error, you can go there and fix that error. Because so you can see, like Now I just put my final executable table template. This is my template which I have already created. So you can see stack name, you can give it animal. I'm going to give it the same name that I have given in my origin region. So I don't need anything over here. Create. Now you can see the creation is processing, and resource you can see the the object that I have created. Here you can read the logical IDs that I have added: ADD, DHCP, VPC. When you refresh it, you can see more ADDS, internet gateway and all. It will take some time because that infrastructure is not that big, but it has so many things, so it will take some time. It's working well, like each and everything is in process. So let me see how much that. Okay, actually it takes time to launch each and everything, because auto scaling always take time when we are going to create it through the help. But you can see in the code everything is created completely, but I'm waiting for my final approval. Okay, now you can see it is creating completely. I would just want to see my EC2, like I got the instance or not. Yeah, my instance is running in my Sydney region, and you can see like how easy it is to create a template and move an infrastructure from one region to another region. Thanks for watching video.